Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history in the YouTube app. You want to have the YouTube app installed on your phone. Once you have that installed, you're just going to open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a little profile icon. So click on this profile icon and then scroll down until you see settings right here. Above help and feedback, click settings, and then you are gonna head to history and privacy. Now there's a couple of different options. You have clear watch history, clear search history. Let's just click clear watch history and it will say, do you officially want to clear it from this account? Now bear in mind, if you clear watch history or your search history, YouTube will not know what videos to recommend until you start using YouTube more and relearns. Now another option you can do is pause watch history or pause search history by just toggling it on. Now that means any future searches through what you watch, what you search for will not be displayed in your account. So that's another nice thing if you do not want to clear everything out. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like and we'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching.